Dreams give life to vision, and from the visions of one who put that vision into the world, inspire others to dream. Dream bigger, for those dreams will one day inspire a multitude. That thing burning inside of you may just be the thing that someone needs to press a little further beyond what was known to be possible in the eyes of man. But you know no such limitations. The vision you hold is unlike any known. A vision placed in you before time began, one many may not understand, but one that will inspire for generations yet to come.